Introducing the 2010 Hyundai Sonata. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Hyundai are offered, including delay-off headlights, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 well-positioned speakers. Curtain airbags combine with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.